Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Dolby Audio on your DREAME TV. First of all, we're gonna have to press the gear button on the remote control to open the quick settings menu, and here select the sound tile. After that, we can either enable DBX TV Total Sonics, or we can enable Dolby Audio Processing. Now we cannot enable both at once, so we have to choose just one. So if you want to use Dolby Audio Processing, you're gonna have to disable DBX TV Total Sonics, and after that you can go to Dolby Audio Processing settings, and you'll be able to change the values here if you set the sound mode to user defined. So if you select user and then go to Dolby Audio Processing, you'll be able to manually turn on your volume, your specific Dolby settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.